Hi, thanks for checking undercover review of the product Fisher Method. So you want to solve your cash flow problems? Then this product will assist you because it is related to binary trading. It works on the principle where you will predict the price of an asset either move up or down in a period of 60 seconds. Don't worry, all these things can be learned easily as trade secrets and indicators are within the software. Remember one thing, this is not a push button or no work easy money scheme. You need to put in little work to fulfill your dreams, like decide the value of asset if it goes up or down, then take related actions in software. So simple work is required to make money. Now there are so many binary option softwares available in the market. Every company claims to be the best with their unique features and variations in trading softwares. Click the link in description below and go through the steps in the site for more information. Do not get overwhelmed by choices available in the market. Basic things required for you to get started is PC or mobile or tablet with internet connection. One of the major benefits is you can trade a lot in a day with binary options and possibly make a lot of money in short amount of time. But keep in mind that you can also lose money as your trades can go wrong. This problem is common with new traders as they want to catch every market move and lose money in the process. Good things often takes time, and same over here. Sometimes you will be distracted by average or bad trade setups and miss the good ones. But with practice you will overcome this and soon move on right track. So let's get started free and click the link in description and get more info. Thanks for watching. Congratulations, you are in top 5%.